Yesterday, Tenzing Chundu also made a presence and addressed the media. Today, you're also addressing. Do you think this is I think an organized visit that you are trying to make without making it political?
I have nothing to do with Tenzing Chundu. He is a Tibetan individual who works for the cause of Tibet, and he has freedom to go wherever he wants. But as myself, as somebody who represents the Tibetan people, the Tibetan administration, it's my bounden duty to look after the welfare of my people. It's not a political strategy for Tenzing Chundu to come here. It is not coordinated in any way, and I have nothing to do with him. I have no communication with him whatsoever.
I am Champa. I would like to introduce myself, and I'm 7 years old, and I like playing basketball. Cantor. I am Champa. I would like to introduce myself, and I'm 7 years old, and I like playing basketball too. And thanks for so much support. You don't know how much this really means to us. And many years back then, China stole our town, and I really appreciate what you've said in your speech. So thank you.